What is cryptocurrency? I'm going to take it right back today and give you a full introduction of what exactly cryptocurrency is. So let's get straight in after this disclaimer.
I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only.
Let's roll the video. Let's go. So guys, go over to simplelearn.com and follow along with this article. So what is cryptocurrency? It's a coded string of data representing a currency unit, which means it's peer-to-peer networks called blockchains monitor and organize cryptocurrency transactions, such as buying, selling, and transferring, and also serve as a secure ledger of transactions. So by utilizing encryption technology, cryptocurrencies can serve as both a currency and an accounting system, which means a cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that is meant to be a medium of exchange. It's quite similar to real world currency, except it does not have a physical embodiment and it uses cryptography to work. So because cryptocurrencies operate independently in a decentralized manner without bank or central authority, new units can be added only after certain conditions are met. For example, with Bitcoin, only after a block has been added to the blockchain will the miner be rewarded with Bitcoins. And this is the only way new Bitcoins can be generated. The limit for Bitcoins is 21 million. After this, no more Bitcoins will ever be produced. Now, what are the benefits of this? Cryptocurrency, the transaction cost is low to nothing at all. Unlike, for example, the fee of transferring money from a digital wallet to a bank account. You can make transactions at any time of the day or night, and there is no limits or purchases and withdrawals. And anyone is free to use crypto. Unlike setting up bank account, which requires documentation and other paperwork, international cryptocurrency transactions are faster than wire transfers too. The wire transfers take about half a day for the money to be moved from one place to another. With cryptocurrency transactions take only a matter of minutes or even seconds. What do we think the future of cryptocurrency is? The world is clearly divided when it comes to cryptocurrencies. And on one side, supporters such as Bill Gates, Al Gore, Richard Branson, who say that cryptocurrencies are better than regular currencies. On the other side, there's people such as Warren Buffett, Paul Krugman, Robert Shiller, who say against it. Krugman and Shiller, who were both Nobel Prize winners in the field of economics, call it a Ponzi scheme and a mean for criminal activities. In the future, there's going to be a conflict between regulation and anatomy, okay? Since several cryptocurrencies have been linked with terrorist attack, governments would want to regulate how cryptocurrencies work. On the other hand, the main emphasis of cryptocurrencies is to ensure that users remain anonymous. Now, futurists believe by the year 2030, cryptocurrencies will occupy 25% of natural currencies, which means a significant chunk of the world will start believing in cryptocurrency as a mode of transaction. It's going to be increasingly accepted by merchants and customers, and it will continue to have a volatile nature, which actually means prices will continue to fluctuate as they have been doing for the past years. Okay, so that's the basics of cryptocurrency. Now, some questions you might have. How do you buy cryptocurrency? Bitcoin, for example, the most popular, may be traded on exchanges, but provide investors with a safe and secure platform. The future has here with cryptocurrencies. To begin investing, you must choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange where you may buy, sell, trade cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, and others. Select a broker or a crypto exchange. Follow this channel if you want to find brokers, you want to find tokens, things like that. We talk about everything on here. And create and validate your account. Make a cash deposit to begin investing and place your cryptocurrency order. Choose a storage method. If you want to know what the point of it is and how you generate it and what the most popular ones are, again, follow this article on simplelearn.com. Hit that link down below. More importantly, go through the channel because we talk about this every single day. Okay, there is ways you can invest your cryptocurrency. Okay, what's the first steps to buying the cryptocurrency? What's the minimum amount? Okay, you can get in as low as $2 to crypto. So don't believe what people say. They take your life savings. They don't. You can get in as little as $2. Okay, and there is so many different types of cryptocurrencies. Okay, for example, there is more than 12,000 cryptocurrencies on the market right now, and the growth rate is simply astounding. They've more than doubled in between 2021 and 2022. So towards the end of 21, add approximately 1,000 new cryptocurrencies every single month. And you wonder why people are making money in this. That's all I've got for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed me taking it right back to tell you what cryptocurrency is. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.